I'm Ernesto Desiderio. I'm a Formula 1 race engineer. I used to work with Haas F1 till last year, and now I'm moving to Williams F1 to be a race engineer there. The Avehil simulator is an incredible tool. It gave us a lot of options for the training of the driver, because we have a driver here, Pietro, which is doing a great deal of work for us, and the simulator, the platform is dynamic platform. The steering feedback and the graphic are really like a professional level. So these allowed us to do a proper training of the driver and a proper training on the engineers through the remote control room that we have, where the guys are working, and we can look at the data live. We can discuss with the driver, check what is going on at the moment. While I'm talking, we're doing some long runs and trying to manage high speed versus low speed degradation. So it definitely is helping us a lot to achieve the target of teaching the new generation of race engineers how to work with the driver.